What's going on, guys? So as of right now, I got my buddy Zane coming over. Yeah, he should be here any minute. Matter of fact, he's already here right now. But with that being said, we're gonna look at my truck and we'll go from there. I don't think that's gonna tell us too much more than what I've already got, but I hope so. I hope it says something. It's tapping, and when it gets warm, it starts tapping even more. You hear that tapping? You're turning them off like that. It's badass.
Kind of holding that spot where it makes most of the noise.
Oh yeah.
It almost sounds like an exhaust leak on an injector.
An exhaust leak, you think?
Weeks later.
What's going on, guys? So today what we're gonna do, we've got 2 new up pipes to go on it. We're gonna try to permanently fix our damn boost leak until we put a bigger turbo or go something else, and then we do some other up shit. Picking up from the previous video, whenever he last come over and diagnosed everything and made sure that it wasn't fully an injector issue, because yeah, eventually, yeah, I'm still gonna have to do injectors, just you know, not anytime soon. Skitty. Anyways, but with that being said, so yeah, and I'm gonna go and take the tire off, go and kind of get preparation going and started. So he'll be here in just a little bit, and we're gonna get this thing going. And there he is, he's right there. So with that being said, we'll go from there, and hopefully we can get a how-to. So, is it not too hot? Is it hot? No. All right, sweet. Said I was worried about coming over here because I didn't want it to run too long. You have to have a breaker bar?
Until the bolts get tight.
Fuck that, man. If you want, I'll go and pull this damn intake off. What are those lines that run around in the middle from the Y bridge? Is that coolant shit or what is that?
This black one's got coolant in it.
Uh-huh.
But other than that, there's fuel lines underneath that.
I got you. Yeah, it felt good. Hey, the starter looks good though. God damn. Okay, it's, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but there, that'll work. See, look at him. Look at, see, he fits in that. You think my fat ass could get in between that fucking, the fender and the fucking, hell no. Do you ever think you were made to be a mechanic? Dude, you fit in spots that, and you can work on shit that nobody else can.
Oh yeah.
God damn.
Or the way I sit up there in the apartment.
And you're all comfy and shit, and they're up there fucking hurting their back, laying over. Yeah. Look how deep it's been rubbing, dude. Well, I mean, what was that rubbing on? The up pipe?
Yeah.
God damn. That's where it's been rubbing as well. You can see it. Alrighty, so we ended up finally got the passenger side up pipe out. Zane did. Not this Zane, that Zane. And as you can tell, this motherfucker is cracked all the way around. Holy fuck.
Pretty much.
Yeah, it's pretty much cracked almost all the way around. It broke right in the fucking welds, so that tells you what? The welds to begin with weren't worth the fuck. Yeah, you can tell, because look in there. It's not even fucking welded all the way through. Okay, these are actually purposely built for racing, and they've got the flex shit in here as well.
Yeah, like they're welded on the inside too.
Yeah, you see that? That's welded all the way. If that breaks, then I was doing some shit I wasn't supposed to. God damn, beautiful. See how on the inside of that one, where it broke through? This wasn't welded all the way through. This is cheap. This right here, this is the PPE fucking racing shit. This is actually welded like it was supposed to. And they come in, and when they built these, they put the expansion deal in here, and it allows it to flex, because when metal heats, like he was saying, it's got to go somewhere, and when it flexes and when it's under pressure,
It cracks.
that cracked out. Skitty. There you go. God damn, this one looks so much better. Oh, did you drop that bolt?
We dropped the nut to the clamp on the turbo earlier.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, and I had it while ago, and now I can't find it.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna go and throw on my new intake that I've gotten just real quick, since I don't have any of my power tools. They're all in the field. But I'm gonna go and throw this on real quick. It ain't gonna take but just a second. Oh, these are some real fucking deal clamps right here. These bitches ain't going nowhere. That's some real clamps right there. Mind if I borrow this? Well, did you see where that went by chance?
Yeah, close.
Well, I didn't expect that to fly off. Oh, you found it? So it's handy to have her around sometimes.
Sure, filter on, good to go.
Appreciate it. Hey, at least it wasn't lost in the truck. It's like putting a fucking condom on. Probably not that aggressive though.
I hope not.
I do. Alrighty, so as you can see, we've got the new Uppipe on. Anyways, with all that being said, it's back in. Everything's backed up, good to go. We're gonna do the Y bridge a little bit later, probably later this week. Hopefully, if he has enough time to get to it. All right. Alrighty, so thank you all very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.